Hey everyone, we're out here today. We're in Boerne, Texas, checking out some of this beautiful homes. This one is by Princeton Classic. It's a one-story home. You see it has this big, beautiful two-car garage. It's opened up here. It's already plumbed for water softener. Has the kick out so you have extra room on the side for all your stuff. Now this is a really amazing deal. As you come into this home, you can see it right here. We're going to walk in and take a right. So as you come in the home to the right, it has two big bedrooms. So here's the second big bedrooms over here. It has a full bathroom. I'm going to show you the other. Both bedrooms are really large. They're both the same. Not very exciting. One of the more exciting things in the home is you go through, you can see on the floor, it has this tile that looks like wood through the whole floor. Just gorgeous. Label the whole thing. Beautiful. And I'm trying to show you how big and wide this is. It's great. It looks amazing. Now, if you come into this side room here, this could be an office, a study. It does have doors where it could be another bedroom if you wanted to. It's all set either way, whichever way you want to do it. And then here's our stairs to go upstairs. We'll go up there in a second and check out the upstairs. Really is cool stuff up there you don't want to miss. Now, the kitchen in this one is really awesome as well because it has double built-in ovens. Very few homes have double built-in ovens. Of course, it does have a gas stove. All these cabinets all the way around. I'm trying to show all the cabinets. There's so many of them. Of course, the dishwasher, great pantry. And then this is opened up all the way through. You could do a little dining area very easily right here. And then as you can see here, our big living room has a covered patio already. It's not a huge yard, which is great for easy upkeep. As you can see, it's just a regular yard. I'm not going to spend a lot of time outside because it's a small yard. And it's so hot today. Whew, it's like 110 out. Try not to get a heart attack. And then we're coming over here. We're going to go into this room here. This is the master. So it's nicer to have the master downstairs. We already have two bedrooms, maybe three down. Not including the master. The master makes three. Two other ones. Here is your soaking tub. Big walk-in shower ready to go. Here you go. His and her sinks. And then it has this nice big closet. As you come in the nice big closet, I'll try to show you how big it is. I'm going to walk all the way around it. And then it wraps all around. So great homes, great closets, ready to go. I'm going to go now that we've shown the master, this monster, we're going to come this way, go through this beautiful living room again, and all this amazing tile, and we're going to head upstairs. As we head our way upstairs, here we go. I'm going to make my way this way, up all these friggin' stairs. See, this home is awesome up here because one of the special things about the home is this big game room. And this is almost like a little separate living area up here. If you have an older child, anyone who wants their space, teenager, has a full mini master. You can see has a full bedroom, a full bathroom, big closet, a whole bedroom up here by themselves. They have all their space. And then also, it opens up through, so if guests are here, you can see right there. They can close it up, the bedroom door, get some privacy, ready to go. Whew, there's a lot of running around today on my third house. So if you're looking for a beautiful home, I'm going to head on down. We'd love to help you out today. Again, in Boerne, Texas, all kinds of options, starting in the low fives, all the way up to $1 million, depending what finishes you want. Hope to hear from you soon.